Hello, everybody. Welcome to a smart grasp, explore, and win. Greetings for the day. Let's get started with today's topic.
Chapter 2 Linear Equations in One Variable, Exercise 2.1. In that, first sum, solve the following equations. There are a set of 12 equations in which we are supposed to find the unknown variable. For that, we need to understand the four simple rules. That is, when the addition is transposed, it becomes subtraction. When a subtraction sign is transposed, it becomes addition. That is, when you take the plus sign from LHS to the RHS beyond equal to, it turns to negative. Also, similarly, when you shift the negative sign crossing the equal to, then it becomes addition. The same case applies for multiplication and division. When multiplication is transposed to right hand side, it becomes division, and when division is transposed to the other side, it becomes multiplication, and vice versa. So these are the four important rules which we have to remember to solve this equation. So let's note these. When it is a plus sign, it turns to minus. If it is minus, then it is plus. When it is multiplication, it is division. When it is division, then it turns to multiplication. So these are the changes when we transpose signs. Now let's look into the first sum. X minus 2 equal to 7. When you transpose the minus 2 to the other side, it becomes plus 2. That is, x is equal to 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. Therefore, x is equal to 9. Second sum, when you transpose the plus 3, it becomes minus 3. So, y equal to 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 is 7. Transpose plus 2, it becomes minus 2. So, 6 minus 2 is equal to z. The value of 6 minus 2 is 4. Therefore, z equal to 4. Fourth sum, we will just transpose this plus 3 by 7. Let's transpose this to the other side. It becomes minus 3 by 7. Therefore, x is equal to 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7. Since it is the same denominator, we can directly subtract. 17 minus 3 by 7. 17 minus 3 is 14. 14 by 7. When you divide 14 by 7, it is 2. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 2. Now, fifth sum. When you transpose multiplication, it becomes division. So, on bringing this 6, it becomes division. Therefore, x is equal to 12. This 6, let's bring this side. Therefore, divided by 6. 12 by 6 equal to 2. Therefore, the value of x is 2. Now, sixth sum, 5 is in division. When you transpose it to the other side, it goes as a multiplication. Therefore, t equal to 10 into 5. 10 5s are 50. Therefore, t equal to 50. Seventh sum, when you transpose this 3, it becomes multiplication. 2x is equal to 18 into 3. When you transpose this 2, it is in multiplication. Therefore, it becomes division. So, x is equal to 18 into 3 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 9s are 18. Now, 9 3s are 27. Therefore, x is equal to 27. Eighth sum, let's bring this 15 to this side. So it will be a multiplication. 1.6 into 15 equal to y. When you multiply 1.6 into 15, we will get 2.4. Since 15 is in the denominator, we transposed it to the other side and it turns to a multiplication. Now, ninth sum, 7x minus 9 equal to 16. First, let's bring the minus 9 to the other side. When we transpose minus 9, it becomes plus 9. So, 7x is equal to 16 plus 9. Now, 7, we will bring this side so that it becomes division. X is equal to 16 plus 9 is 25 by 7. Hence, the value of x is 25 by 7. 10th sum, we will transpose minus 8 first. So, 14y equal to 13 plus 8. Now, when we transpose this 14 to the other side, it becomes division. Therefore, y equal to 13 plus 8 by 14. 13 plus 8 is 21. 21 by 14. Let's cancel in 7 table. 7 2s are, 7 3s are. Therefore, y equal to 3 by 2. 11th sum, Let's transpose this 17 first. When you transpose this 17, it becomes minus 17. So 6p equal to 9 minus 17 because plus 17 is transposed as minus 17. Now 6p equal to plus into minus minus. When we subtract, the answer is 8. The greater number is 17, the sign is minus. So minus 8. When you bring this 6 to this side, it becomes division. Therefore, p equal to minus 8 by 6. Let's cancel this in 2 table. 2 3s are, 2 4s are. Therefore, final answer is minus 4 by 3. 12th sum. Let's move the plus 1. X by 3 equal to 7 by 15 minus 1. Because plus 1 is transposed as 1, so the denominator here is 1 because there is no any other value. Now let's take the LCM. LCM of 15 and 1 is 15. Now let's multiply the numerator and denominator by 15. So 1 15s are 15, 1 into 15, 15. Now it is same denominator, so we can combine and write. So x by 3 equal to 7 minus 15 divided by 15. X by 3 equal to plus into minus minus. When we subtract, we will get 8. The greater number is 15. The sign of 15 is minus. So minus 8 by 15. Now let's transpose the 3 which is in division. X is equal to minus 8 by 15 into 3 because when division is transposed, it becomes multiplication. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. So the value of x is equal to minus 8 by 5. With this, we have completed this exercise.
Thank you all for watching Smart. Grasp, explore, and win. Stay tuned for more videos.